Hello, everyone. This is Linda. Yes, I've been out in my garden this morning, but so I came in to take a break, and it is warm out there. You know it is, yeah. But I just decided to come in and do this little video. Yeah, y'all know. Do this little video. I wanted to say, yeah, let me take this off. I wanted to say that I, I miss my gardening community. I really do. Now, I joined YouTube and the gardening community because, of course, I love to garden. I love dropping seeds and to enjoy other people and to know other people that love to do what I do. Yeah, that is exciting to me to see them doing the wonderful things that I do, growing many of the same vegetables and flowers and experiencing some of the many things that I experience. That is great. I'm learning from them, they're learning from me, or we just enjoying each other. Not about learning all the time, just enjoying each other. That is one of the reasons why I joined YouTube. Now, my gardening community is wonderful because I enjoy watching many of you grow um, new ways of doing things. Yes, I love that. I love that. I'm not too full of myself and matured to take advice and just to try something different. I love that. Yes. But I'm not here to have someone to give me a whole new way of living my life or to bring me to some place where I know anything about or giving my hard earned money that I worked very hard for all my life uh, to do anything. No, that's not my purpose here on YouTube. Um, I believe in God. I love Him, and He loved me. You can't live in New Orleans for 62 years and God don't love you. Let's get that right. Yeah, you see that, huh? Yes. You can't do that. So, uh, so I'm not here to do that. I'm not here to do that. So many of my gardening members, uh, subscribers, friends are got this notion of going this other way. And we're not, and many times when we get on here, we are not talking about the things that we came here to do. Well, the things that I thought that we were here to do. And that's talk about gardening, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and trees. That's what I want. But these conversations I'm hearing is just, no, no, mm-mm, no. So, do I miss my gardening community? Yes. If I am a subscriber of yours, yes. And you are a gardener, because see, I subscribe to other people like beauty channels. I expect beauty from them. hmm But if I subscribe to you because you are a gardener, that's what I want to hear from you is gardening. Do I want to hear about your God? No, because, well, I'm not going to watch your video. I just want you to know I'm not watching that. I'm not going to be persuaded to go and talk about things or agree with people that Maybe they sent me some seeds. If I don't agree with them, I don't agree with them. And everyone have a right to their opinion. And you have a right to your opinion. And you have a right to put ever what you want on your channel. It is your channel. But what I come for gardening. So if you put up a video and you're a gardener and you are not talking about gardening, or you talking about God or some other beliefs or whatever, just know I'm not coming. I'm not going to watch this video. Go in the garden. You'll see me there. Later, y'all.